guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 2 of the moving vlogs. I just got ready for the day. I just took a quick little shower, just put on some concealer, filled in my eyebrows and did some lashes just because like makeup is annoying. I have on my typical gold jewelry. You guys know the drill. I have this like sports bra-ish type situation. I got it from Nordstrom Rack a few weeks ago. And then my comfy shorts that I wear like every day and some Air Force Ones. I am just drinking my coffee. It's the first pumpkin spice of the year. Cheers to that. But it's 9:30. I got the worst sleep of my life. Mattress was so uncomfortable. Oh, and I actually bought the wrong mattress. So I bought a full instead of a queen because I'm like actually the dumbest person in the world. I don't really know how that happened. The full was just too small between sharing it with 2 people. So I'm gonna go back and get the queen today. And definitely a different mattress because this one sucked. But it was nice, at least I got to like try it out and know I don't like it. But I have to drive home. My mom's done personal training at 11, so it's 9:30 now. So I really need to go. And then we're just gonna pack up her car, my car with like the dresser and the rest of my furniture, and then all of my clothes. And it's me, my mom, my brother. They're all coming out to Philly today. Another full day of moving. I have everything organized. I'll show you guys what the bed looks like actually. It's small. It was really small. And I brought the wrong HDMI, so I couldn't even watch the smart TV. That sucked. But we need to go. I'm gonna slam this coffee real quick, and I will see you guys when I get home. Hello, it is now 11:30. I just got home. You guys, I have to show you this mask. I don't know how I'm gonna like, but okay. I have had the worst problems with masks this pandemic. And I saw a lady driving with this on, and I literally rolled down my window and I was like, oh my God, where did you get that? And she said Etsy. So I found this, and if you're new to my channel, you wouldn't know that I'm the biggest Drake fan in the world. So it says if you're reading this, you're too close. Just like the album with like the font on it. I freaking love it. I got it for like $7 plus free shipping, and it fits like a glove. I'm so excited. And I also have a Princess Polly haul that maybe I will do. But anyway, I'm about to pack up all of my stuff back here and get on the road. So this is the remnants of my room. It's crazy seeing it. It's like echoing now. I have to make this bed, but I don't think I'm going to because I'm lazy. But this is all the stuff I'm leaving. We have the cars both packed to the brim. Once again, trip 2. Off we go. We made a quick pit stop to, oh, those are gross, to a furniture store. It's like a used furniture store. We're not really finding anything, but it's kind of a cool place.
What you got in there?
Just some stuff.
So what have you been doing for water?
I just get the tap water. I am mid-vlog. We just brought up everything, and
You watched us bring up everything.
yeah, I did. They did all the work. Brought up some more things, and we got the bed out of here. We're about to take it to IKEA right now. We got the dresser. Hi guys, so it is now the next day. It's Thursday, it's like 2 o'clock. I just haven't vlogged because honestly, we've just been so busy. My family was here and Justin was here for a while. I figured I'd just show you guys all the updates today. So the last time I vlogged was IKEA, and I was so exhausted. I was so over moving. I was like, I'm done vlogging, like that's it. We came home, unpacked the car from IKEA, ate dinner, and then my family left, and then Justin and I set up my bed frame and my bed. Well, actually, he did it. I slept in today, although I'm still exhausted. Actually, might go take a nap right now. Today, we set up like my 2 side tables, and then my TV stand that we just built literally just took like an hour. Everything that I have is like pretty much done. Oh, I did my closet too, but that took me like 2 minutes because I had my clothes like folded and on hangers. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. But I just wanted to update you because I haven't pulled out my camera in like a day now. I might run to Target, but I have a really good parking spot, and I really don't want to lose it. So we'll see. But I have a few more Amazon packages coming in today. I have some decor, I have a rug. So I'll show you guys what it looks like so far. So this is the TV stand. I also have those lights that I have on my other TV in my room. I have some pampas grass in a vase that I need to cut down actually. This is just like random stuff that I just don't have a place for yet. So is this. I don't really know what I want to do with decorations yet. Same thing kind of over here, just kind of stuff. And then my room's gonna change a lot because I don't like my bedding at all. I think I'm gonna get new bedding. It's only like $30, so I can just order more if I have to. We brought my dresser in and angled it. All of the stuff is from IKEA, like the side tables and the bed frame and the lamps. This is gonna go, like, I just don't know what to do. But I do like this area a lot. This is all inspired from Julia Havens. She linked this on her Instagram story the other day and I bought it. It's like a ring holder, and then I hung these curtains. Here's like, my closet's still kind of a mess and I just have a lot of shit, but it does have a lot of storage. So I'm gonna go try and get a video up for you guys right now, maybe take a nap. I'm also gonna look for a couch because we cannot find a couch anywhere, so I'll show you guys when my rug comes. I don't think I'm ever gonna get over how good this lighting is. As I say that, the sun goes in and out. I think we're about to get a storm actually, but it is 5:15 now. I have done a lot of work. I didn't really feel good, so I lay down for a little. I have been doing a lot for like the past hour and a half, 2 hours, and I have everything kind of in place as to where I want it for right now. So I'll show you guys. I think I'm done for the day just because like my feet hurt so bad and I'm waiting for my rug, but I'll show you guys that in the next vlog when like my rug comes in. It's supposed to get here by 9. And then my couch, which I don't know, I will show you guys what I've gotten done. I really like what I did so far. So for my little windowsill, I thought this was so cute. I have like a bunch of gold jewelry just kind of like hanging out of there, and I organized all of my jewelry in here. And then I don't know, this looks weird. I have to get a jewelry tray still. Obviously I showed you guys that. I changed this a little bit too. I put some pampas grass in this little rock vase, and then this coaster and a little tea light candle. And then over here I hung this mirror and that little purse shelf. I don't know, this is gonna go. I'm not keeping that. It looks too gross. And then over here I have like my productivity planner candle, some stress relief spray, blue light glasses, just keeping it nice and simple. And let's see, I still need to hang this. Oh, I hung this. I thought it looked so cute. And this is like my favorite part. I just put the Louis Vuitton box there for decoration, but don't worry, I'm taking it down. I love this pampas grass. This shit is so expensive, but I got it on sale at Urban Outfitters. And then my ladder came. I think it looks so cute with the blanket. I set up my side table for when we put my couch and my coffee table and rug and stuff right here. Oh, and then I also filled up these little things with some pasta. Let's see, how's the lighting in the kitchen? Good? Horrible. So I'm actually gonna end off this vlog for tonight just because I'm tired. I just want to make dinner and watch that new Netflix show that just came out. I forget what it's called. I think it's called like $1 Million or something. I don't know. It's about real estate agents in the Hamptons. So it's kind of like Selling Sunset. I guess we'll see. I'm excited to watch it. But I haven't been able to watch reality TV because I've been with my boyfriend. Although he does love Vanderpump. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of the support, and I have gotten such an enormous amount of like comments and new subscribers. So if you're new here, thank you guys for subscribing. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see down below. I promise I will do an apartment tour as soon as it's finished, and obviously I'll keep updating you guys when I have decor. I think I'm going to take tomorrow off from vlogging, but I'll probably do a vlog on Saturday or something. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.